You know, the Radiant Masterclass is more than just a live YouTube lesson. It's more than an art class. It's more than a Facebook group. Really, it's about positivity, encouragement, doing life together. It's about taking a journey. It's about meeting people that you would never have known from across the world who are artistic and who are also on their own artistic journey. It's about healing and about life and about dealing with loss and coping. It's about finding your voice and self-expression. This masterclass is for you, and I really hope that you will join us because it will transform the way that you do art and the way that you think about creativity and the way that you're looking at the world right now.